AI is not that easy, and I just want to leave you with a few challenges that we have. I am traumatized by chatbots from around about 6-7 years ago when everybody wanted to do chatbots and they didn't understand the most basic prompts. I wanted to say, how can I change my mobile phone subscription? And then it said, would you like to look at our offers? I said, no, I want to change my existing subscription. I want to up my data limit. So at the most time when I saw some kind of bubble pop up in the bottom right corner, I immediately ignored it. And that's something that we also see with people, that they don't think that this can be that good. So how do we get people to actually try AI and have this aha moment that they see, oh, it's actually not that bad. This can be quite cool. This can be a useful tool. And I must say, I'm a late bloomer when it comes to this AI stuff, but I use it a lot now to just get ideas for writing, which I then rewrite in my personal tone. But it just helps me take shortcuts and be more effective. And this is what we're trying to do. Then data quality is difficult, especially in a second-hand marketplace. It's rarely structured, neither consistent. We have real people entering all kinds of stuff which is wrong, badly formatted, not existent at all. So that's one thing. And you might have heard about that when AI starts creating data, and we use that data to train our large language models. Of course, we get into this loop of stupidity that these models collapse over time and just get increasingly stupid. So we have to make sure that whatever we then give as feedback is not generated data itself, so that we just keep up the quality of our models. Then we have bias in algorithms. There might be certain users or products that are favored, which are then bumped to the top, which are then favored even more. And you see this in images as well, that if you look at the conference picture, I think it's like 99% men. Why is that? You know, that's bias in models, and we have to be aware of that in our algorithms. And then another thing, privacy. The woman with the lovely leopard jacket, which I took a photo of, I took a photo of you, and even though we do an automatic image cropping to an object, and usually that cuts off the head, it's still, you're taking pictures of your surroundings, you might be using that data, and people deserve to know what is happening with the data that is provided to AI.